guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be doing something a bit different than usual. You have seen me in my last and only 3 videos doing a full face of makeup, wearing like the contour, the blush, the bronzer, the eyeshadow, the everything. Well, today I'm going to be doing something different that I've been thinking about doing for a while, which is putting these 2 products here, through a wear test and see how they perform. Thing is, I'm gonna do it at the gym. I hate wearing makeup to the gym. I don't. It's not part of me. I hate wearing makeup to the gym. There's many products that are marketed to last through difficult conditions and through your workout and through smudge proof and budge proof and sweat proof and waterproof and everything proof. And since it's not still summer, not yet summer, I cannot make a waterproof test. So I thought, oh, I'll take 1 or 2 items a week and try them out before I go to the gym, see how they perform. Okay, so on to the video. People have asked me in my real life, in my daily life, like, do you wear makeup to the gym? Have you tried this? How does this foundation work? Like, and I'm like, the only moment I wear makeup to the gym is when I get out of work, that I have my face full of makeup and I'm too tired to take it off. So I get out of work, go to the gym, makeup as it is, and if it blurs, if it smudges, I don't care. So as it is it. So what I'm gonna try today is test out 2 products that are supposed to really hold all day through anything and everything and whatever happens. So the first thing I'm gonna try is this Revolution Pro foundation. This one is the full cover Camouflage Foundation in the shade F5. Highly pigmented, creamy, creates maximum coverage with an even natural looking finish. And apply to target areas all over. Use a synthetic brush or sponge. I'm gonna use a beauty sponge, this one here. And it says it's waterproof, which should work in the gym. Should be sweat proof as well. Non-transferable and long wearing. Set with powder for an even longer lasting finish. So yeah, I'm gonna try this one. It's in F5 for light skin tones with pink undertones. Oh, the other thing I'm gonna use is targeted specifically for sport, and this one. It's the, I don't know if you can see it, yes, PUPA Sports Addicted Mascara. This was waterproof mascara. This was launched last year during the summer months. They have an entire collection of things that are supposed to be waterproof, gym proof. Let's be honest, I'm cheap. It was an offer. Usually here in Italy, mascaras range from 5 to 15 euros, like drugstore mascaras. And this one's full priced, I think it was 11.50, 10.50, 11.50, something like that. And they had a relaunch, and they were selling it 5 euros. I was like, I'm gonna try this. I have around 12 or 13 different mascaras, I think. Might be more, might be less. Some of them are free samples. So I'm gonna give this a go. I'm gonna wear both of these items. I'm gonna go to the gym later today. I'm gonna do my full workout and I'm gonna do a check-in when I get back from the gym. Hoping against hope that things will still look exactly the same as they did before. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the Revolution Pro Pore Primer. So yes, I'm gonna go in with the foundation. As I told you before, this is the one we're gonna be testing, Revolution Pro. Why don't I ever send you this? Revolution Pro, shade F5. I think you can start to see how full coverage this foundation is. It's like putting a layer of paint on your face. Literally, it's really, really full coverage. I could have chosen a different color for my skin tone, but it works. It kind of don't see the difference that much. So yeah, a bit over my eyes. Okay, so as I was filming, this effing camera decided to leave me and not film anymore, and I don't know why. And I hate it, and I hate it when this happens because I don't notice. I'm like so excited making this damn video that I didn't notice that I wasn't recording it. So I used a bit of setting powder, the Rimmel Stay Matte setting powder in the shade 006, which is warm beige, and I used underneath my eyes a bit of the Maybelline Master Fix. I put a bit of blush and bronzer, but that's nothing that I would have done on camera because that's not the point of this video. So yeah, I'm using this mascara, which is the PUPA Sports Addicted, which is what I'm gonna, yeah, you can see it. Which is what I'm gonna try today. It's a little pretty packaging. It has like a pois white and fuchsia letterings and silver. It's like this. This is the spoolie. It's regular black spoolie, but it has like this shape where it's first it's thick and then it goes in and it goes out again and it's thin again, which is supposed to like take over your entire eye and like the lash and envelop it. The texture is really creamy. It's not liquidy at all. What I didn't like is the bristles in this spoolie because they kind of tug. Don't mind the fact that my eyes are dirty here. I'm just not capable of putting on mascara without dirtying my eyes every single time. Like, I try, and I try again, and I try again. And like out of 10 times, 9 times I get my eyes dirty and yeah, then I'll put on some liner and say, oh, I have this beautiful smoky eye, when in reality I just messed up my mascara. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the gym and I'm gonna check in with you guys later and see how this is performing. Hi guys! So as you can see, I'm back. Went to the gym, came back, sweat, and I'm conflicted. Am I doing something wrong, or is it like the foundation is not doing it for me? It is a good foundation. I mean, like, yeah, it's... I look nice. I feel like I look nice, but if I go into detail, like here, I don't have any foundation anymore, so I can start seeing the patches on top of my nose. Like, I'm gonna have to keep testing it to see if I like it or not. This one, it is nice. It's picture nice. It's detailed. Could be better, I think, in my opinion. The mascara, what can I say? Like any other waterproof mascara, it stays. It holds. Like you can like go like this, and it still won't budge. I mean, I rub my eyes and try to take it off, and it still won't stain my lashes. It stays. It really does stay. It's really cool mascara. I really like it. The only one thing is that when you put it on, it kind of drags. But I don't know if that was because it's mine and it was old, or if it's really like this. But once you get over the fact, I mean, like here I made a mistake and I got it all over my lash, my eyelid, and after the workout it stayed over my eyelid. I mean, like, it didn't even go away. So yeah, this is the face after a workout. The mascara is 100% gym proof, workout proof. The foundation on me is 70% gym proof. But I think that depends on your type of skin, and if you're oily, if you're dry, if you sweat a lot. I think that's so variable. For me personally, it didn't work that well. I'm gonna keep trying in other contexts to see if it actually works better, or if I should set it with something different. I've tried around 3 powders, but I'll get to that in another video. So yeah, I'm gonna go prepare dinner. Thanks so much for watching, and hope to catch you in the next one. Bye!